Alex, but you're being a belligerent.
You offensive? You offended?
Alex.
It's not about offense.
So what's the problem? You're getting paid. Drive.
I don't care. I don't drive drunk people. I don't drive people without a mask.
Right.
Don't give me this attitude. This is my car.
Can you drive?
Get out.
Can you drive, please?
No.
Drive.
I refuse to drive.
You refuse to drive?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to stay here for 5 minutes. We're going to see about that.
Alex, can you
can
please
stay
cover
for the
your
rest of your
mouth?
life. You can stay for the rest of your life.
Alex, please.
You're the man.
Stop being belligerent.
I'm going to give you 5 minutes.
Alex, chill out, please.
No. Let him talk. He's gangster.
It's not about being gangster. Can you just listen?
5 minutes, my brother.
Alex,
we're on
please.
3 right now already.
Can you cover your mouth? At least?
3 minutes. We're on 2, brother. You gangster. You better have
It's not about being gangster.
You better have a gun over there.
Can you stop? What the hell is wrong with you?
It's
It's not. He's gonna call the police.
It's police, type on medical.
No,
Hello?
I'm a Lyft driver, and I have a rider who is being disrespectful to me. And
What's the address, sir? Where are you?
I'm right on the corner of Crossway Boulevard and 92nd Street.
Crossway Boulevard and 92nd Street?
Yeah, 92nd Street.
Okay, so she's a passenger?
She's with her boyfriend, but
Hold on, one moment. 92nd
92nd
Street or 92nd Avenue?
92nd Street. He's threatening me to hurt. I have him on the camera too.
Alright, Crossway Boulevard and 92nd Street. It doesn't look like it crosses each other.
No. Alex, yeah, baby.
Hello?
No, Alex, what the fuck?
Come the fuck outside.
Alex, no.
Come the fuck outside.
Sir, no.
Hello?
I'm gonna get out, sir. No, please. No. Sir, I'm gonna get out the car. Sir,
Listen. I didn't do anything to you.
I told you to keep driving. Who the fuck you think you playing with, bro?
I'm not playing with you.
Don't play with me, bro. I
know.
told you to keep driving, bro. Didn't I tell you to keep driving?
No, sir, go.
Hello, sir?
He broke my door.
You broke the door? Alright, so 92nd Street is not...
He's running after me. He has a gun.
You saw him pull out something?
Yeah.
Did you see the gun?
No. His girlfriend stopped him.
Did you see the gun, sir?
No. He put the hand in his pocket.
He put his hand in his pocket?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you at 165 Avenue and Crossway Boulevard?
192nd Street and Crossway Boulevard.
192nd Street?
92nd Street and Crossway Boulevard.
You have to give me another cross street. Is it 165 Avenue and Crossway?
No, 165 Avenue. Now I drove off. I have 165 Avenue and 97th Street.
Alright, is he black, white, or Hispanic?
Yeah, it's a black man. I have everything
What
on
is he wearing?
Huh?
What is he wearing? What does he have on?